HGTV has become a beloved network, showcasing impressive home renovations and charismatic hosts who transform houses into dream homes. However, behind the scenes, several HGTV stars have faced legal challenges that have put their reputations and careers under scrutiny. From issues of improper construction practices to allegations of fraud and breaches of contract, these legal battles highlight the complexities and risks involved in the high-stakes world of televised home renovations. Several HGTV stars have faced legal challenges, involving a variety of allegations from construction defects to fraud. Tariq El Moussa and Christina Hall, Flip or Flop. Tariq El Moussa and Christina Hall, the stars of Flip or Flop, were sued by a former employee for unpaid wages and breach of contract. The plaintiff claimed he was hired to scout homes for their company, Next Level Property Investments, but was never compensated. He sought $12,800 in back wages and $25,000 in commission. The El Moussas denied the allegations, stating they had never met the plaintiff and had not done any projects in the locations he mentioned. Dave and Jenny Mars, Fixer to Fabulous. Dave and Jenny Mars from Fixer to Fabulous were sued by a couple who alleged that the Mars performed unlicensed and unpermitted work on their home. The plaintiffs claimed that several unauthorized changes were made to their home, which was left not up to code. The couple sought at least $75,000 in damages, citing the Mars failure to rectify the situation over 2 years. John Culinary and Anthony Carino, Kitchen Cousins. John Culinary and Anthony Carino, stars of Kitchen Cousins, faced a lawsuit from a New Jersey couple who claimed their kitchen renovation was incomplete and poorly done. The plaintiffs alleged fraud, breach of contract, and negligence, citing issues such as improper installation and unjust charges. The court awarded the plaintiffs $857,894, leading Culinary and Carino to file for bankruptcy. Allison Victoria and Donovan Eckhart, Windy City Rehab. Allison Victoria and Donovan Eckhart of Windy City Rehab were involved in multiple lawsuits. Homeowners sued them for fraud and construction defects, including leaks, water damage, and structural issues. The Chicago Department of Buildings issued stop work orders and suspended Eckhart's licenses for working without permits. Despite resolving some legal issues, the duo continues to face scrutiny and legal challenges related to their renovation projects. Jonathan and Drew Scott, Property Brothers. Jonathan and Drew Scott, known as the Property Brothers, were involved in a lawsuit by a Las Vegas couple who alleged that their home renovation was incomplete and fraught with issues, such as exposed wires and faulty plumbing. The couple initially sought $1.477 million in damages. The Nevada State Contractors Board later identified fewer issues with a lower estimated repair cost, leading to ongoing disputes over the resolution of the claims. Chip and Joanna Gaines, Fixer Upper. Chip and Joanna Gaines, stars of Fixer Upper, faced a lawsuit from their former business partners at Magnolia Realty. The lawsuit claimed that the Gaineses persuaded their partners to sell their stakes in the company without disclosing their plans to launch their HGTV show, which would significantly boost the company's value. The former partners sought over $1 million in damages. The case was eventually settled out of court. Hilary Farr and David Vicentin, Love It or Listed. Hilary Farr and David Vicentin of Love It or Listed were sued by a North Carolina couple who appeared on the show. The plaintiffs alleged that the renovation work on their home was shoddy and incomplete, and they claimed that the production focused more on creating drama for the show rather than on quality workmanship. They sought compensation for the cost of repairs and additional damages. Egypt Sherrod and Mike Jackson, Married to Real Estate. Egypt Sherrod and Mike Jackson, stars of Married to Real Estate, were sued by a former client who alleged that the couple's renovation work on their home was subpar and caused significant damage. The lawsuit claimed that the work was not done to code and required extensive repairs. The plaintiffs sought damages for the cost of the repairs and other related expenses. Nicole Curtis, Rehab Addict. Nicole Curtis, host of Rehab Addict, faced a lawsuit from the city of Minneapolis over the condition of a house she purchased. The city claimed that Curtis had failed to make the necessary repairs and bring the property up to code, leading to safety concerns. Curtis countered that the city had been uncooperative and that she had made efforts to renovate the property according to historical preservation standards. Good Bones. Good Bones stars Mina Starsiak Hawk and Karen E. Lane faced a lawsuit from the EPA in 2017 for not following proper lead paint removal protocols during renovations. The EPA's complaint highlighted their failure to use certified renovators and follow lead-safe practices, violating the Renovation, Repair, and Painting (RRP) rule. The case was settled with 2 chicks and a hammer agreeing to pay fines and ensure future compliance with safety regulations. This lawsuit emphasized the importance of adhering to environmental guidelines in home renovations to protect public health. HGTV Hometown Lawsuit Details and Update. Hometown, starring Aaron and Ben Napier, faced a legal issue recently, linking Ben to a large fraud scandal involving welfare funds in Mississippi. The controversy centered around allegations that Ben assisted in constructing lockers for a volleyball facility using funds misappropriated by former NFL star Brett Favre and former Governor Phil Bryant. Although Ben's involvement was clarified as recommending a cabinet maker rather than direct participation, the association has drawn significant public and legal scrutiny.